There are numerous career options available to individuals with video editing skills. Some of the most popular career options include film or video editor. A film or video editor is responsible for assembling raw footage into a finished product that is suitable for broadcast. They work closely with directors and producers to ensure that the final product meets their vision. Motion graphics designer. A motion graphics designer creates animations and visual effects for video projects. They work with video editors to integrate these elements into the final product. Video production assistant. A video production assistant supports the video production team with a variety of tasks, including setting up equipment, preparing sets, and assisting with post-production tasks. Social media manager. A social media manager is responsible for managing a company's social media accounts. They may work with video editors to create content for social media platforms. Content creator. A content creator is responsible for creating and distributing content across a variety of platforms, including social media, blogs, and YouTube. Video editing skills are often essential for creating engaging video content. Freelance video editor. A freelance video editor works independently and takes on projects from various clients. They may work on a wide range of projects, from corporate videos to music videos to short films. Video marketing specialist. A video marketing specialist uses video content as a key component of a company's marketing strategy. They may work on developing video campaigns, creating social media content, and tracking metrics to measure the success of their efforts. These are just a few of the many career options available to individuals with video editing skills. The specific job title and responsibilities will vary depending on the industry and type of project.